Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file to a IFC4 file. So basically the IFC Industry Foundation Classes 4 file format is a standardized and open data schema used in building information modeling, which is known as BIM, to exchange 3D geometry and schematic data, materials, properties, and spatial relationship between different softwares programs without vendor lock-in. So basically the core agenda to convert a SketchUp file to IFC4 format is basically to give the SketchUp model in the next level, that is widely known as BIM. And this is a uh, very important thing that you learn about how to file convert this into the file format. So basically what you have to do is you have to select the whole model that you want to export. So basically in SketchUp it is not like Rhino that you select this much model and only this much model will be exported. But in SketchUp it is like that the whole 3D model will be exported. So after making the whole model one group, you have to go to file. Under file you have to go to exports. Under exports you have to go to 3D model. Under 3D model you have to select the IFC4 file and just press on export. Place it yes. So it will take a few seconds or a few minutes to convert the SketchUp file into IFC4 file. So basically you can go to the location where you saved the file and you can refresh the page and you will see the IFC file type is right over here. So this is how simple it is to convert a SketchUp file to IFC4 file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.